Hi there. We continue to hear from city and state leaders about how important social distancing is to stop the spread of COVID-19. Still, in our area, we're seeing these large gatherings for funerals and religious functions where people are not following those guidelines. Tonight, the NYPD is saying those gatherings are putting everyone's lives at risk and they must stop now.
Due to the current health emergency, members of the public are reminded to keep a safe distance of 6 feet from others while in public.
Police using sirens and playing social distancing messages over their PA system in Borough Park this weekend, trying to break up a large gathering for a funeral in the Hasidic Jewish community. Watch as mourners stood around not following social distancing guidelines. Also in Brooklyn over the weekend, another funeral procession with hundreds of people, this one in Williamsburg. Mourners are standing shoulder to shoulder, not 6 feet apart. And these are two more religious gatherings in our area, including one in Muncie, about 30 miles outside of New York City.
I don't care if you're Orthodox, Jewish, Catholic, Christian, Muslim, I don't care what. It's not about religious observation.
New York Governor Andrew Cuomo today saying he's going to double fines for those who aren't doing their part in stopping the spread of COVID-19. And the NYPD releasing a statement to Pix 11 that reads in part, quote, the NYPD will continue to enforce social distancing at any large gathering, including services that put both members of the public and officers at risk. These gatherings must cease immediately, end quote. Mayor Bill de Blasio also weighing in Monday, saying he understands it's hard for people to put a halt on traditions, but they have to for now.
I've spoken to leaders of the community previously, and we're going to do that again. We're going to be very clear with people. We just cannot tolerate at this moment in history.
And the NYPD says they were able to break up those gatherings over the weekend. No fines were issued. And they say it is important to note that most New Yorkers are following the social distancing guidelines. They say they will be strictly enforcing it from now on, though. And if you do not follow it, you will be fined up to $1,000. In Williamsburg, Brooklyn tonight, Jennifer Bisram, Pix 11 News.